Hey everyone, here's a quick video tutorial on how to go when you're going through the playback to only search for motion detection or AI human detection. So here's a brief tutorial how to do that in the Cortex IQ app. Okay, this would be for the Cortex Medallion, NVR or DVR, no matter which model. All right, first thing you want to do, go into your playback by hitting the, I call it the movie film rail. This is what it looks like. If your phone's in the upright position, it'll be right here. If your phone is in the sideways position, it will be over here in the bottom right hand corner, okay? I choose to keep my phone in the sideways position. So first thing we want to do is we want to go into the playback by hitting this button here. Now we're into the playback. It's always going to go to midnight of that day, okay? So as you can see, we're at 6:17, 12 a.m. All right, now for instance, if I want to, first we want to choose a camera. So we are in a playback. As you can see, we have 24-hour recording here. So in this time bar, yellow is going to be motion, which would be anything, bugs, trees, shadows, whatever. If we see blue, that would be AI human detection. It just depends on if your camera has that function or not. This camera does, so yellow would be AI, blue and red would be human detection. As you can see, we're in the red and blue right now, and there is a human. So now we're going to get into it. So if you want to choose motion detection only or AI in the playback, so you're not searching through all of it, it will automatically play to the next clip of motion or AI. Touch your screen. This is the icon you are going to look for right there, the movie film reel with this little tower next to it, I'm going to call it. So once you push and touch this button here, it's going to give you the option over here, okay? Now, you want to deselect everything, okay? So uncheck the top box. That's going to deselect everything now. If you want motion detection, only choose the motion detection box, okay? So this is what we're looking for right now, motion detection. If you were only wanting human detection, you would just choose pedestrian vehicle, okay? I don't believe there's just a pedestrian choice. And there's not, okay? So for that instance, we're only choosing motion for this video. So now that I chose that in the time bar down here, it's only going to show and play where there is yellow motion. It's going to, once it plays through this, it's going to skip to the next one, okay? And you can watch the time change. Well, let's not worry about that. So I'm gonna go to, here we go. Here's a good one. Okay, so we are at 6:30 a.m. 6:30 a.m. So once it gets done playing through that, it's gonna skip directly to the next motion clip. There it is, okay? Boom. All right, once it plays through that, automatically gonna skip to the next one. You can hit this little fast forward button once, and it's gonna make it play faster through it. If you want to make it even play faster, touch it one more time, and then it's gonna be 2 times the speed, okay? So that's gonna help it play through all of your recordings much faster, so you're not playing second for second. You can do up to 6 times the speed to quickly play through them, and then once you find what you need, then just go and hit the play. And then it's gonna go back to normal speed on your motion recording, okay? So I hope this helped you guys to quickly play through it. And if you're a client, please text me or email me Same for any non-clients. Please feel free to email me if you have any issues or questions. Thank you. Dynamic Surveillance and Communications out.